What if I told you that the most meaningful Father's Day gift isn't something expensive from a store? In fact, years from now, most dads probably won't remember the tie, mug, or gadget they received, but they will remember a handmade card covered in tiny fingerprints, a colorful paper tie made with love, or a handprint craft created by their little one. One of the biggest challenges parents and preschool teachers face today is keeping children engaged in activities that are both fun and educational. Many kids spend hours in front of screens, but struggle to express their creativity through hands-on activities. That's where Father's Day crafts come in. These simple projects do much more than create a gift for dad. They help children develop creativity, fine motor skills, confidence, and emotional expression, all while having fun. In today's video, we'll explore what Father's Day crafts are, why they're important for preschoolers, different types of Father's Day crafts, and how parents and teachers can encourage children to create meaningful artwork that dad will treasure forever. So stay with me until the end, because I'll also share some simple tips that can turn an ordinary craft project into a memory that lasts a lifetime.
Why are Father's Day crafts important for preschoolers? Many people think crafts are simply a fun activity to keep children busy, but the truth is, they offer much more than entertainment. When preschoolers participate in craft activities, they strengthen their fine motor skills by cutting, coloring, painting, and gluing. They learn problem solving as they decide how to decorate their project. They practice decision-making by choosing colors and designs. Most importantly, they learn how to express emotions and appreciation toward others. Many young children struggle to put their feelings into words. A handmade craft gives them another way to say, "Dad, I love you. Dad, you're important to me. Dad, thank you for everything you do." And that's incredibly powerful. Different types of Father's Day crafts. One of the best things about Father's Day crafts is that there are countless ways to create them. Let's look at some of the most popular types. 1. Handprint crafts. Handprint crafts are among the most loved Father's Day projects. Children dip their hands into paint and press them onto paper to create colorful designs. The handprint can become a superhero, a trophy, a tree, a heart, a special Father's Day card. Parents especially love these crafts because they capture a moment in time. Years later, that tiny handprint becomes a precious memory. 2. Fingerprint art. Fingerprint crafts are simple, creative, and perfect for preschoolers. Children use their fingerprints to create hearts, balloons, animals, flowers, personalized artwork. This activity allows even very young children to participate successfully while creating something unique.
What are Father's Day crafts? Father's Day crafts are handmade art projects created by children to celebrate and honor their fathers, grandfathers, stepdads, or any important father figure in their lives. These crafts can be made using simple materials such as paper, paint, glue, markers, stickers, popsicle sticks, and recycled items found around the home or classroom. The purpose isn't perfection. The purpose is allowing children to express their love, appreciation, and imagination through something they create with their own hands. For preschoolers especially, the process of creating is often more important than the final product. Every brushstroke, fingerprint, and different types of Father's Day crafts. One of the best things about Father's Day crafts is that there are countless ways to create them. Let's look at some of the most popular types. 1. Handprint crafts. Handprint crafts are among the most loved Father's Day projects. Children dip their hands into paint and press them onto paper to create colorful designs. The handprint can become a superhero, a trophy, a tree, a heart, a special Father's Day card. Parents especially love these crafts because they capture a moment in time. Years later, that tiny handprint becomes a precious memory. 2. Fingerprint art.
Fingerprint crafts are simple, creative, and perfect for preschoolers. Children use their fingerprints to create hearts, balloons, animals, flowers, personalized artwork. This activity allows even very young children to participate successfully while creating something unique.
3. Father's Day cards. A handmade card never goes out of style. Children can decorate cards with drawings, stickers, photos, or personal messages. Even if a preschooler can only write their name, the effort makes the card incredibly meaningful. Sometimes the simplest gifts carry the biggest emotions. 4. Paper tie crafts. Paper tie crafts are a classic Father's Day favorite. Children decorate a tie-shaped template with colors, patterns, stickers, and drawings. This craft encourages imagination because every child creates a completely different design. No two ties are ever the same. 5. Photo keepsake crafts. Adding a child's photo instantly transforms a simple craft into a treasured keepsake. Picture frames, photo cards, and personalized displays are gifts that many fathers proudly keep for years.
How crafts help build creativity. One common mistake adults make is focusing too much on making crafts look perfect. But creativity doesn't grow through perfection. It grows through freedom. When children are allowed to experiment with colors, shapes, and ideas, they begin to think independently. They learn that there isn't always one right answer. A blue tie, a purple superhero, or a rainbow-colored trophy may not look realistic, but that's where imagination shines. The goal isn't creating a perfect craft. The goal is encouraging creative thinking. How to encourage children to make Father's Day crafts. Many children hesitate when starting an art project. They may worry about making mistakes or think their work isn't good enough. This is where adults play an important role. Instead of saying, "That's not how it should look," try saying, "I love the colors you chose. Tell me about your design. What inspired you to make it this way?" These kinds of questions build confidence and encourage children to keep creating. Praise effort rather than perfection. Celebrate creativity rather than accuracy. And remember, the craft doesn't need to look professional. It just needs to come from the child's heart. Common challenges and solutions. Sometimes children lose interest halfway through a project. Other times they become frustrated when something doesn't turn out as expected. To keep children engaged, use simple materials. Keep projects age-appropriate. Break activities into small steps. Allow freedom of choice. Focus on fun rather than results. The more enjoyable the experience feels, the more likely children are to participate enthusiastically. Conclusion. Father's Day crafts are much more than paper, paint, and glue. They are opportunities for children to develop creativity, build confidence, practice important skills, and express love in a meaningful way. Whether it's a tiny handprint, a decorated paper tie, a fingerprint heart, or a handmade card, each creation becomes a memory that both child and father can treasure for years to come. Because at the end of the day, the most valuable gift isn't something bought in a store. It's something made with love. If you found these preschool Father's Day craft ideas helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with other parents and teachers looking for creative activities for young children. And tell us in the comments, which Father's Day craft do you think Dad would love the most? We'd love to hear your ideas.